nga togifuddeeko ensonga ya Bobi baddewo myaka na myaka temugifuddeeko temuvuddeyo najja addressinga. I felt like tebali fair nabayimbi balala.
Clarify more about that.
No, nze post yange yabadde simple nnyo ate ngeri brief ng'omuntu yenna asobola ogitegeera oba tewagitegedde kanjikunyumira. It's a city registered in Muvuma, but I see what they do and I hear about them. Okitegeera by representing abayimbi kakiringa kuba mu family ng'oyinamu abaana ng'ogamba gwobazaala kati omwana omu bw'afuna ekizibu n'ovaayo abalala ne bafuna ekizibu n'osirika kiraga ki kina that kind of double standards kiraga nti ono omufaako ntomufaako. So umwe waba bavaayo representing abayimbi even though abayimbi tebali registered, making sure nti ofa ku bayimbi bonna obaagaza ekibiina kyo okitegera obaagaza kikyokola kiringa kubanga olina essomero abaana bamu tebafaako ofa kubamu tekimakinga sense. Kiringa kubanga president bamulonda president akolera abantu bonna alina okukolera omulimu gwe kukolera abantu bonna n'abamulonda n'abatamulonda kyekimu ne uma abayimbi abalimu n'abatalimu bonna mubakolere mubaagaza ekibiina naye kati ku nsonga eno nanaye bavuddeyo balipidde ekya. If Uma is standing up for musicians, let them stand up for every musician. Bambererewo. Oshege babererewo buli muyimbi. Si byagamba mbo kati waliwo akasonga kaliwo kano kali ku bayimbi bano katubere kwabo. But Bobi has not been performing for the past years. What have they said about something? What have they said about it? Nothing. Sinaba kulaba a statement here never about that. Abayimbi baba no bamaze banga tebakola masomo. What have they done about it? I don't hear anything. I don't see. The same way jebagalo twaga nti bakola. The same way batulaga nti nebino babikolako. Well, because they're behind the cameras well and good, but we're able to again, this is what we're doing because what's the nature what you're addressing. So that is my only concern. I was solo call a question about Yambi. He's a musician. That is disrespectful. Gaman Bobi Dachari Muyimbi. No. You need to respect his name. Muyimbi, Wavata. Then apart from politics, we start going around politics, but we're talking about music. Musaja Mimi in a family. So nze sagala gena kubikigundi yakoze, but I'm talking about Uma. Mama says representing abayimbi standing up for all musicians because by name songa zawe, but the same way we've done dressing akasonga katono kano vio dressing ekitu kiri
bino bikulumide banga kikuba kiraga nti bingi you are breaking one by
no nze tebinumye, but omanyi there's a difference between being concerned and being hurt. It's a serious, but I'm concerned as a person in entertainment because in the muyimbi, in the presenter, and the vici. But if you're saying you're representing a certain kind of group, I say I represent the youth. Drug abuse again, a mass of no at least I've done something. I've done tours. I've taken musicians. You see, I'm doing something for them. But if you're saying you're representing musicians, you're not addressing that. You're not coming out to say something, to do something about it in public, but you can come out and address a small issue in public, not a a statement. Over the years, Bobi has not been performing. State fine, but show something as Uma that we've tried. This is what we've done. Negative okole chitu chiboche baliko kubanga balaga nti Uma yabamu kanange ne wembandi muyimbi nga sinayingira Uma. There's no way you're going to seduce me to enter Uma.
Okay, Panda, we are getting it right now as a
seduce me to enter Uma.
Okay, Panda, we are getting it right now as an artist. You are an artist, big icon, especially in songs drug abuse. Gravity is an artist, Chameleon is an artist. Whom to blame? You are an artist.
No work blaming. I don't blame Chameleon. See, I don't blame Gravity. Only Gravity is without promoting our reimbursement. My issues with Uma. We are not allowed to perform in schools. Why? What have they done about it? I don't have any problem with any musician. No. These are my good friends. My issue is with Uma. Whoever says representing Abayimbi. Why representing Abayimbi would nah. And so as one was addressing is Abayimbi. I think that was actually my concern. Your concern and your considering to know there's a difference between being concerned about no kubera heart. I'm just concerned into why? And yet you're saying you're representing Ugandan musicians.
Promoting okuyimba, that is okay, as you have said. That is not in discipline. Like bo promoting oluyimba ng'oli mu bulumi bwa munno mwojaguliza nti mukama akola
bali webeera balina ensonga zaabwe omanyi kyo kanti bwe badde mabega boogera nze bebamanyi ebyabwe bali balina ensonga zaabwe ensonga zange ziri simple nnyo. If Uma is standing up for musicians, let them stand up for every musician. Bambererewo okitege babeerewo buli muyimbi si byagamba mbu kati waliwo akasonga akaliwo kano kali ku bayimbi bano katubeere kwabo. But Bobi has not been performing for the past years. What have they said about something? What have they said about it? Nothing. Nale bavuddeyo balipidde ekya gravity because bantu bakyogerako kati kiriko amawulire. I felt like because kiriko amawulire kati kyensonga lwaki bakyogerako kivula bakiwadde ki attention naye nga tewaliwo ensonga endala abayimbi babagaana okuyimba amasomero sinabakuwulirayo statement eva mu Uma egamba nti this is what we've done or this is what we are doing abayimbi bafiirwa ssente tebakyayimba amasomero kitegeeza obanga ofa ku bayimbi nga tonaba kumanya ku finding a ways of how oyinza okukola ne gavumenti abayimbi baddemu bayimbe amasomero ng'ate oli kukana akasonga akatono akaleero ng'era ensonga ebaddewo n'emyezi nga togifuddeeko ensonga ya Bobi ebaddewo myaka na myaka temugifuddeeko temuvuddeyo najja addressinga. I felt like tebali fair nabayimbi balala even though abayimbi tebali registered but they were representing abayimbi
walosinga nnyo by the way waloyimbi you are the one of the artists abasinga okuyimbira mu masomero bagaana nti abayimbi tebayimbira mu masomero kyakukosa kyenkana kya nti
of course kyankosa because nze nkola activism mu masomero apart from singing naye waliwo gyojogera ne bagaana nti toyimba you know. And you need to get their attention through, you know, entertainment. And at the moment right now, Abana is so much into drug abuse. No one is talking about it. Homosexuality, nobody is talking about it. There's a lot that is going on. So, Katomimbi Tasola Kidizbogena Musumero collectivism. Because Babagano performing a Masumero. I think right now, Mizemi is Giyungi de Masumero. So, the channel was that if Uma was ready for the musicians, they were finding ways of how to talk to the government. But they want, okay, how best are we going to do it? But I've not seen them. I've not heard about them. Because I was talking to somebody in the government, working in the ministry.